We've been meaning to show Grandpa Snap our new chain sharpener from Steel. It's got 3 different files in it. One for going one direction and the other for going the other direction, and the third to file down the raker. So I'm going to show this to Grandpa Snap how to use it so he can see it. So it's got nice little arrows here to show you which direction you're be filing in, and it's, the shape of the ends are nice, so you can line it up with the parallel with the bar, so you know you got the right angle, and you can set it right down in there. And I'll get some other side here and line it right up there. And at the same time, it is filing the tooth there and the raker up there. Do it a couple times and move on to the next one. And then once you get all the way around, you can, to switch the directions, you just flip it over like this. Then you're all set to do the teeth that are going the other way. Like so. That's a beaut right there.